Having trouble adding friends on Mobile Legends via your iPhone? No sweat, we have got your back. In this guide, I'll walk you through some easy fixes to get you connecting with your pals again. Let's jump right in. Solution 1. Quick internet check. First things first, ensure your internet connection is stable. If not, pop into airplane mode for a few seconds, then switch it off. Alternatively, try toggling between Wi-Fi and mobile data to troubleshoot. Solution 2. Clear game cache. Launch Mobile Legends. Then, tap on the settings icon. Next, select Network Test. Then, switch to the Clear Cache tab. Now, hit that clean button. Tap on OK. Reopen the game and see if the issue is resolved. Solution 3. Offload the game. Open Settings. Scroll down and tap on General. Select iPhone storage. Find Mobile Legends and tap on it. Hit Offload app. Confirm Offload app. Once offloaded, tap Reinstall app to start reinstalling. Once done, you should be good to go. And there you have it, troubleshooting made easy for Mobile Legends on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to smash that like button. Questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you ASAP. Thanks for tuning in and I'll catch you in the next one.